Hello everyone. In this video, we will see what is capital expenditure or CAPEX and operational expenditure, which is also called as OPEX model. In capital expenditure, the organization uses upfront cost. The organization makes upfront cost to purchase the hardware and software. They also manage the data center. They will purchase the hardware by paying the upfront cost for all this hardware. In capital expenditure, the organization maintains the assets. Assets are nothing but the employee of the organization, hardware, software, and the data center. So when it comes to cloud works under consumption-based model. Basically, cloud works under operational expenditure model. There is no need for you to pay upfront cost for using the services. We pay only for the resources what we use. So we use virtual machine. We pay for the virtual machine. We use managed disks. We pay for the managed disks. If you are using the databases, then we pay only for the database usage. So this is called as consumption-based model under which the cloud works. There is also a flexibility of utilizing more resources when required. For example, if I have a requirement or if there is a project which requires 100 virtual machines, I can simply configure and install 100 virtual machines with very less time using the cloud service provider. If I have a requirement of using terabyte of spaces, then I can use the managed disks or the blob storage, which is offered by the Azure. Then I can pay for whatever the consumption I have made on the cloud. And also, if there is a requirement for me to test the databases with less time, I can build these databases using Azure or any other cloud service provider, test the databases on cloud. Then once the testing is complete, I'll be able to destroy all these databases so that there will be no more cost attached to the resources which I have consumed.